Okay, welcome to the Docker Rodeo challenge on TryHackMe. First of all, I want to explain to you what is Docker. Docker is generally we use it for the hacker generally using for Docker for getting escalation for privilege. So in this new vulnerability, generally we are using Docker. We just command run Docker image and do it something about it. And in this challenge, there is every vulnerability of Docker we can see about it. The Docker, right? Yes. There's a 7 vulnerability we can that, and security or container. So another things do it something with ourselves. Nice. First of all, the prerequisite for this command rooms overall with the data every step of the way. So they recommend for us strongly recommend use the TryHackMe attack box. By the way, I run my start attack boxes over here and show my attack box for you. And we got the deploy the machine and we have the IP address, and I did a map scan for this IP address, and you can see it over here. The Docker has some port, which port they're working for HTTP, but it's just for Docker. It means our Docker registry is over here. You can see what about it, and you have to be know it. Docker registry is the transfer protocol is using the API. So there's a 5000 and 7000 port is working for Docker HTTP register protocol. It means our transfer protocol with the API. So the other things they recommend for us, let's go for sudo nano host etc host and add this IP address giving the host name docker-rodeo.tryhackme. Okay, let me go sudo etc host and now given nano, and come over here. What's our IP address? 10.10.190. Okay, 10.10.190, and it's at 226, right? Okay, let me check one more time and give it for this IP address docker dash rodeo .tryhackme. Okay, we have to do it before. Yeah, docker rodeo .tryhackme, right? It's cool. Okay, let me Control and try Control X about it. And now let me check the other things we have to do to save it and close the file. Okay, we got it. And tell Docker to trust your instance. We have to be instance or the Docker trust for us. You will need to either create and enter following into etc docker daemon json and give this. Okay, let me copy this, and I want to explain why are we using that, because if you're gonna check your map scan, there's 5000 70,000 port is open. Why we do that? Okay, let me come over here and like here, here, and paste it. So let me go cd. All right, and docker ls. There is another. Okay, now you will need to either create or enter the following into daemon.json. Okay, cat k.json. Is that working for us? I don't know. Yeah. Let me say no. Wait, sudo nano and daemon json. Yeah, and come over here what were copied before. Let's copy this one more time, and then Is that a problem? Let me copy this one more time. And yeah, Control R enter and Control X, and we have to be save it. So save and close the file. Okay, we got it. For the change to apply, you will need to stop, then start, not just restart the Docker service. So it means that we have to go for start attack box one more time and say sudo systemctl Docker. Alright, it's here. System stop Docker. Okay. Stop Docker. Okay. And start again. Nice. Alright, cool. Okay, you are now ready to progress of the room. Okay, completed. The next one, introduction to Docker. What is Docker? Starting 2030, Docker was introduced to all the customs consuming of the application of service delivery. Docker employed what is currently hot potato topic for developers. Okay. Is there cool things we have to be added or something like that? What are Docker image? Okay, it's your cat Docker file. Does Docker run on hypervisor? What are Docker images? Explain the Docker image. The files contain run and copy. Does apt get the ls-home? Okay, let me get it. Vulnerability 1. This task divider, please proceed on to next task. Okay, completed. What is Docker registry? The Docker registry is a working Rust can. Before we begin exploit Docker registry, we need to first understand that all and try interact with them, but as why they are so like Rodeo for us pen tester. I can supply Docker bound Rust scan. Okay, you can read about here, but they are for giving us some information for us. But I don't recommend that for you. Is there any question? Yeah, there is so many questions. Let's start with the task 5. Nice. As with any system that we are going to be penetration testing, we need to enumerate the service running, understand any potential entry points. In our case, Docker register runs on port 5000 by default. Yeah, we know about it. Before we got mmap scan before, and like that. Okay, we got it, and then our 5000 and 7000 port is open here. Okay. Not only am I capable of scoring Docker registry, but also the API version is important to know for how we'll interact with it. The Docker registry JSON endpoint, so we cannot just simply interact with like we would normal website. We will have a query it, whilst this can be done via terminal or browser. Detected tools are such a Postman or Insomnia. There is a Postman for us. I have no idea. Let me go for Postman. Okay, let me say new tab. No, not. Okay, let me say new tab. And is there a Postman or Insomnia? Alright. Let's see, Postman. Where is Postman? To understand what rules available, we need to be read the Docker registry documentation. Please take the time, read this at your leisure. Okay, we need to get request the HTTP Docker ready TryHackMe wiki.catalog until it's the registry on this registry. Okay, but before do this, I think we have to be read it. but yeah, the postman is working for us now. I'm waiting for postman. The postman is like burp seat. I'm gonna show you how to be working on postman. Yeah. Here. Alright. Successful updated version. Okay, let me say new. Request. You have to be request name. Request description. Select or save to. Okay. Request name. What is given for request name? http://rodeo.TryHackMe catalog. Let me copy this and come over. And yeah. Yeah. Text.txt. Okay, let me close tab. Markdown. Okay, designing your markdown. Here, let me go like that. Yeah, giving a URL it here. Let me send it. Yeah, it's giving me some sources. We have to be know about it. There's a pretty reportage, cinematic, my apple dive challenge tile example. For what? For Docker Rodeo.TryHackMe register report and well to under dash catalog. Okay, let me. I actually want to save it. Okay, can I copy this? Right here. Copy this. Alright. Not that. Yeah. The first one is giving this message, right? Okay, is there any question for it? What port number of the second Docker registry we know about? Is it 70 or like that? Yeah, because we did it before for our mmap scan. You can see it like here. Let me go scroll up. Yeah, there's a 5,000 and 70,000 port is open for Docker registry. What is name of repository within registry? What is name of tag has been published? What is username the database configuration? And what is password in database configuration? Alright. We got this message. Okay, they show us right. In this example, we are giving response 3 responses, and for now they're only going to focus CM nothings / my app1. Before we can begin analyzing response, we need the 2k piece of information. The repository name is and repository text published. So we currently have the repository on semantic map 1. Now we just need to let all tags when published. Every repository will have minimum of the on tag. This tag is the latest tag, but there can be many tags all with different code. For example, major software version 2 tags for production and the development. Okay, let me go for repository name tags lists, and for request of get, it's really important. Know about it, and come over here one more time. Alright, let me copy this. Yeah, send it. Yeah, there is a name unknown. Name is repository name. Is there a name question before I did? What is name of the repository within space for registry? Is that a is we gonna know or what? Before do that, I want to be copy this and then save it one more time. Okay, let me copy and yeah, here. Let me come over here, giving out this, copy, change the screen press behavior, get help or log out. Oh. Is there a problem? Yeah. Okay, that shows floppy view over here. Yeah, it will be healthy. Okay, let me copy this. It's a see I'm nothing may a one. Yeah, let send and maybe. Alright, name is see I'm nothing may app one. There is a three cool things we have to be found. And let me here copy this and save it one more time and go scroll down. Now here are three tags. The not secure tag sure sounds interesting. We now have both pieces of information to retrieve your manifest files image for analysis. Grabbing the data with these two important pieces information about repository. Now we can write the specific repository for a manifest file. This manifest file contains various pieces of information about the application such as size, labels and other information. I'm going to be grab manifest not secure. Okay, and they are giving this for not secure. Before do this, we have to be add this for see I'm not taking my one is there's a manifest directory and the manifest directory take we have to get request for supporting and not secure, so we have to be add this. It means our let me copy this and I show you with must explain. Okay, alright, is it not secure, right? Yeah, copy this and no, yeah, like that, send it. Page not found, grabbing the data, not secure, not response vessel history K, outlets late read out command that was executed during the image build stage stored in the plain text. Echo raise a flag, do something like that. Alright, what's wrong? We have to do it. Okay, let me go for first. What is name reported within this registry? They give us geometric my one is not size of it. What is the name of the tag that has been published? What is the name that have published? No circulated secret. It's now it's your turn. Apply what we are done above and write the second Docker register running instance. We have to do it ourselves. Find out what repositories are restored with and ultimately extract some credentials for a database. Okay, I got it. We are working for 5,000 and I think we have to be working for 7,000, right? Okay, let me copy this one more time to so fast. Where's Postman? Yeah, here. And yeah, Postman, add this and here, yeah, and change width 7,000 it. Okay, copy this one more time and come here and send the request for get page not found. What does it mean, page not found? Okay, let me change it to 5,000. Is there any problem? Yeah, there's so many problems we have to, yeah, like that. Let me change it to 7,000. Yeah, there is a we get a secure solution web server, and I want to be actually copy this and save my notes like here. Let me copy this and come over here, yeah, and add this. Maybe it's ask for first what's the name of resport within registry. Yeah, we got this. It's a secure solution and web server. Okay, let me copy this and try. Alright, it's correct. Nice. It means that we have to do the second Docker registry know about it, and tags has that been published yet. Okay, clear all. I want to be clear or delete all. Alright, and delete, don't save, and don't save, and say new attack here. So go for the second one. Alright, here, let's copy this. Copy. Copy this and give here and send request. There's an let me go here and copy this, save my notes, and copy, come over here, save it, and go back myself. Is there any problem? We have to change it. Okay. What is name of tag has been published? Repository name. There is no the name unknown. Okay, let me try another one. Of here, yeah. Actually, we can change this. We are working for val2 of cmmatic and my app1 and tags. Let's give list directory and send it again. Repository name not now to registry. Okay, there's a no registry for us, I think. Yeah. Is there any problem, I have no idea. But maybe we have to be change it with here with Rodeo.TryHackMe. There is no nothing already. Our new name is here secure resolution web server. Okay, copy this. Give it right. Okay. Nice. Copy this and change with nothing my app one. I think it's working for us. Let me send this. Yeah, all right. We got name. Our name is production. Nice, guys. It's really cool. I love Docker production. Nice. What is username in database configuration? What is username in database configuration? Okay, let me get water. What is username in database configuration? Okay, where is database configuration? We have to be at this. Like, okay. There's an http docker ready.tryhackme cm nothing. Okay, let me change it with secure resolution web server. Okay, come over here, manifests with not secure, right? Okay, let me send it. Manifest unknown. Because of what? There is no secure already. What is do it before? We got production, right? Okay, so we have to be changed to not secure with production because the text that has been published is production. Production. Okay, let's send it one more time. Yes. We got this. I might have to be copy all of it. Okay, let me copy this. Alright, it's here. Yeah. And controller A, controller copy and come over here. That is size of here. And give it. Nice. What is username database configuration? Okay, let me gathering something of an ad. Is there important things for us? I think yes, but where is it? I have no idea. Okay, in history. Okay, let me go history. Where is history? There is no history. Alright, history. Okay, history and found username is admin. Is there any echo file? Let me say echo. There is no echo. A username is admin, I think. Let me try it. Admin. And password is production _admin. Let me try it. Production. Yeah, it's true. Production _admin. Okay. we got the some gathering information from it, and now we have to be go another things. Alright, for gathering information something. So in this case we have to be learn about reverse engineering Docker image. It's best things I ever seen. And upload, receive, vulnerability, and other things. And other things over here is really okay. It's could be long. Yeah, it's really long. Okay, let me add on our. Okay. We will following on from the previous vulnerability outline the tasks reabusing Docker registry as were discovered that we are able to create a Docker registry and that container without needing to authenticate. So because of what we have an admin username and the password. Okay. Not only can we add Docker registries, but a fundamental feature Docker of being and I will download this response for someone user themselves. This is known as an image. Tools such as dive reverse engineer this image that we download, and with that thing it's just this dive acts a man in middle between ourselves and Docker wants a user to run container. Dive monitors and resembles how each layer created the containers file system at each stage. We will start off with an example. Let's go download Docker image from our vulnerable repository starting dive in. Install dive from their official GitHub. Alright. Clear. Go back. Go Mozilla Firefox. And dive GitHub. I think we have to be search. Yeah, reject all. I think it's we copy this and add here git sudo git clone. Yeah. Is it here now? Yeah, cd live. Let me connect Bluetooth thing first of all. Okay. Now download the Docker image are going to decouple using Docker pull Docker Rodeo.TryHackMe dive example. Alright. Let's say Docker pull like that and from Docker Rodeo.TryHackMe within 5000 port and in dive example directory. Using default tags latest DLTCP or Docker Rodeo. I'm not such a host. Docker Rodeo. Okay, let me go nano etc host. There's a no such host. Just giving add hosts Docker Rodeo dot TryHackMe. Yeah, cool. Docker pull Docker Rodeo dot TryHackMe. Yeah, it's here. Is there any problem? I got it. Yeah. ls okay. Let me dive tool. maybe I got different. Yeah, it's from vacuum and dive. Oh, okay. We are let's see the dive. Is it real S? No. Alright, there is some deep file for us. Let me go at Mozilla. Alright. Okay, let me pause the video and you install the dive. Okay, I download the dpk file for dive. Okay, is there a dpk file? Let me check it. Yeah, here. Let me go. Yeah, sudo apt install for like that. Yeah, dive m84. Yeah, waiting for installing on my attack box, and give it one more time. Alright, it's now installing for me. Let's say docker one more time. Okay, docker shit. Yeah, like here. Docker Paul docker dash rodeo dot TryHackMe from 5000 port, and dive example using default text latest error response from daemon get http triangle 2 http server http client. Is there a okay, let's say challenge error response from daemon get https. Alright. Is there a problem? Okay, let's try production. Okay guys, I got this error from the attack box of TryHackMe. You don't need the attack box. I know they recommend the attack box for this challenge, but the attack box for Docker image is not working. You are TryHackMe, you fucking idiot. Alright, let me go for just continue with my Kali Linux terminal. The Kali Linux is the best things I've ever seen. You have to come over here and what? Always black. Docker pull Docker Rodeo TryHackMe, which is just a challenge because there's here you can see is a challenge is working for this. Okay, let me say Docker image, and there's a challenge image is here. Let me copy this and try of it. Yes, this true. Nice. Let's go. Now we had an image ID now, and we have to be add the on dive. Alright, let it dive, enter. Yes, now we have to be do something on it. Okay, using this window shows the various layers stage Docker container has gone through. Current layers contains picture screen. This window shows you contains a containers file system to select the layer, and it shows miscellaneous information such ID layer and any command executed Docker file for the layer. Okay, there's an from using dive how many layers in this image. Okay, where is I can know about it. Total image size 801 image, and how many image how can I look about it. Okay, first image in dive is a 1 or 0 or like 2. I don't know. How do I know about it? Okay, let me check. Oh no. One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No, actually here I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. We have 7 images over here. Yes. What is user successfully added? How can I do that? In echo root, and the root name is uoctf. Let me copy this and try it. Yes. Let me get into what command will this output message on the command prompt. Yeah. Now time to go uploading malicious Docker images. Okay, run apt-get slim. Let me complete it, and you can, yeah, it's not really to getting something of it because there is no. Alright, let me go scroll up. Groups. Okay, let's say groups. Okay. It's not working, I know about it. Root, right? Docker, where's Docker? Oh, it's just for information. Okay. Let me terminate it and start mission for task 11. Okay. Alright. This is for understanding capabilities. At the fundamental Linux capabilities are root permission given to process executable within Linux kernel. This privilege, alright, I am already start my machine, right? Yeah. This capability is determined with permission Docker container as the operating system. How are the interactive Docker containers running in two modes, user mode and privilege mode, alright. Let's refer the backward diagram task toward the detail of containers run on operating system to highlight the difference between these two modes. And now that containers are the 1 and 2 in the green user normal mode was where the 3 is a privilege mode containers ranging as user mode interacted with the operating system through the Docker interactive privilege escalation. However, during the instance when they have a combination with the operating system, what does this mean for us? Let's say caps. If we have a caps, yeah, caps dash print. I think we can use it. Caps dash print. Okay. Oh. Caps dash print grab system admin. Okay, this gives me nothing. Maybe we have to go for, yeah, this capability which is using that created trophies. Okay, can we get this? Let me copy this and try to create a file. Pass clipboard. Alright, we got this and echo 1 TMP on realize. Alright, and host path set like that. Alright, shit. And echo okay. Now go to N, do it all of it, and the session to exploit, and give this. So let's preview to Linux kernel exploit users seizure groups. Okay. Okay, I have to be needed on the SSH, but then what is password? I don't know the password. Alright, let's say, I'm sorry guys, SSH root, copy this IP address, yes, giving a password Danny, and Danny, no, why not working, I know about it, dash P, using 2244, like that, and yes, give Danny, yeah, now do it again, with fast, no, like that. Fast. Nice. Okay, now cd ls and cat flag.txt. Yes, escape this change. Nice, we got flag, and I'm securing is your okay. You can read down bonus determinating. Yeah, I want to show you if we're gonna say pc-aux. There are another things you have to be know about it, but givings are when do it pc-aux, or there is giving some addresses like that. And for is there any Docker environment? Let's say LA, there's a Docker environment. Yeah, let me go Docker environment, not automatic. Oh yeah, let's say Docker environment. Okay, it's empty, right? So you have to be go cd. There's a proc. Yeah, let me go say proc ls cd1 ls pwd in the proc one, and you have to be say cat here c group. It's really important for us, and you can see Docker hash is over here. Not Docker hash, Docker image. There's a CPS Docker image is working on it, or working for something like that. It's really important for us. It lets me complete and the additional material. Okay, complete this. Okay, we got opening a new tab. Yeah, we got page for Docker images. Nice. This is all to Docker I want to be explained to guys.